Hi, welcome back to the channel. Today I have my RG35xx H. I just got in today. Let's see what's in the box. I do like how Anbernic packs it in bubble wrap, but if you listen, I got a shaky in there. Hopefully that's just the SD card and nothing too bad. I have yet to get one broken out of the box, so knock on wood, hopefully this one is not my first one that's broken. Okay, there we go. RG35xx H. I like the gold inlay. Does that pick that up? It looks more black on there, but it is gold. I ordered the black one. Nothing else in the box. It was just my, what did I get? The 120 megabyte card that was shaking around. That makes me feel better. Okay, so inside the box, of course, we got our device, we got our wipes, we got our screen cover, we got our instruction manual. It comes in every one. Chinese on one side, English on the other. If you've never used one of these, it's probably useful. In here we have our charging cable, USB-C, USB, USB-C. So we'll just put all that aside, and this is why we're all here. Oh, wow. That ever look nice. Okay, so I got the black one. So front we have a D-pad. Seems okay. We got our start, our select, our two joysticks. Starting to get used to these colored, the XY, A and B button. On the top we have R1, R2, L1 and L2. We have our headphone jack, our OTG and our DC OTG for charging, our function button, and our HDMI mini out. On the one side we have power and reset. On the other side we have our volume buttons. On the bottom we have our TF cards, TF1, TF2. I do have the second one. I'll put that in. But kind of feels good. It is, I'll just pull this back a bit. It is identical to this is a 353M. It is identical in size and button layout in the front. It is identical in size to the 353M. In the back, the pad looks the same. This one's metal, of course. This one's plastic. Okay, so that's for side Russians, 353M. Okay, let's put the card in and turn it on. Okay, so as you saw when I was pulling out of the box quickly, see if we can zoom in on this, and then will it get it? Oh, it's 128. So we'll put it in here in the TFT2 spot, and you always put them in upside down. Screens always get, I'll put on the screen protector in a bit. Let's turn it on for the very first time, and together we'll see how long it takes to turn on. If it turns on. And there we go. Not too bad. Okay, we'll take a look around and see what's in here. Okay, so just like the 35xx Plus, it's the same operating system. You have your game room, you have your RA games, you have your favorites, you have your history, you have your search, and you have your settings. Let's check out settings. Let's turn the volume up. Ooh, how low does it go? At 10. Okay, so it goes to 10. Let's turn it down. Okay. So we've got battery, lock screen, light brightness. This is all just like the 35xx Plus. Date and time. That's where I'm saying, okay, network. Set up the network. Okay, so I got the network turned on. It was pretty simple. So we got icon settings. You see that? We'll zoom in close to this if I don't forget to zoom it back out. So that's what was there. So we got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, and 9. I kind of like the, because it's the same one on a few different ones. I like those ones. So we'll go there. Okay, what do we got here? Got background. What are we at? Okay, so that's our background. So we got background. Ooh, straight black, eh? Okay, we'll go with that one. It seems okay. Button sound. Definitely off. Custom buttons. Clear record. Firmware. Oh, okay. 2023 12/19 was the update. Reboot and shut off. Okay, battery. Okay, so that's what's in there. Okay, so search. Okay, so again, just like in the 35xx Plus, we have this is your game room. You have like there's a PS, there's PSP, there's PlayStation, there's Vertical Games. There's Capcom 1, Capcom 2, Capcom 3, Neo Geo Game, Final Burn Alpha, MAME, Game Boy Advanced, NES, Super NES, Sega Master System, Mega Drive, Game Boy Color, Game Boy, PCE, NG PCE Gaming, Game Gear, and WSC Games. Okay, so that's what's in Game Room. Now, in this one, you also have this one, and I think you'll be spending most of your time in here because it's all this, the Dreamcast is in here. There's a few more systems in here, and if a game doesn't work in here, you can go to the other one and make it play. I'm pretty sure a lot of the PSP games will play better here than here. So on here we got PSP, OpenBurn, Dreamcast, PlayStation, Capcom 1, Capcom 2, Capcom 3, Neo Geo, Final Burn Alpha, Homebrew. Only Homebrew has 31 games. We'll check out a couple and see how they play. Metal Slugs, Punisher, Aliens. Okay, then we got MAME. We got holy cow, 1,392 MAME games. That's not bad. Vertical, 157 vertical games. It'll be interesting to see which way they play. And we got Pico 8, 39 games. Atari, 593. VB, I'm not sure. I think that's Virtual Boy or something. I'm not sure. Sorry. 23. Then we have GW, 49. Game Boy Advanced, 947. Famicom, 697. Super Famicom, 1,099. Then we go to Mega Drive, 649. This is just the external card, just a 128 megabyte card. Mega Drive CD. Oh, that'll be neat. We'll check some of those out. Sega Master System, 197. Game Gear, 126. And then we go into our Game Boy Color, which is 405. Game Boy, 729. PCE, 236. PCE CD. We got a whopping 4. Then we got NGPC, we've got 37. WS-WAN, we've got 66. MSX, 668. NDS, 31. And then we have a Thomas Wave at 5. Naomi at 7. And then we have ports, 11. Now what I didn't do, I kind of brushed over. The PSP there is 15. Whoops. I did that. Okay, so PSP has 15. OpenBurn has 9. 9 Dreamcast. PlayStation has 135. You might not be able to play them all. Neo Geo, 99. Capcom 3. Ooh, a whopping 5. That's about average. 36 for Capcom 2. And Capcom 1 has 30. So what do we go? Pico 8, I think I did 39. And that Poke has 28. Okay, so that's just a card. That's just the 120 megabyte card. So if we go to, so if you just get it with no card, 64 megabyte card, that's what I got the 353xx Plus at. So with this one, again, there's 11, and there might be some crossovers I haven't checked. OpenBurn 8. There's 12 there where there was only 9 on the other one. 29, I think there was 100 on that one. So there are different games. So even if you just get the built-in card on the operating system, there's still tons of games. But with that other card, you get a lot more. Okay, so so far just moving around, setting up the I suppose I should set the time. The time is not that. What do we do? Let's set the time and date. What is the date? Well, we know that's that. What is it, the 20th? So that's easy. Okay, so that's that. And then time. What is it? Oh, it's the 19th. So we'll go back, we'll go out of that, and and I think it's 24 too, right? Oh, it didn't save it, eh? Well, that's good. So obviously I don't know how to set the time. Okay, so confirm that. Okay, so the time is 18. .41. Okay. Course languages, you got a whole bunch there. RetroArch, okay, icons, went through that. Okay, so let's go out of this and check out some gameplay.
Fire!
It always does this on these lower power handhelds. Or it's the ROM. But it sounds good. Okay, so I've played a bunch of games. Hopefully I played enough that you could see what this system can do. This is the Anbernic RG35xx H. It has the exact same specs. It has the N700 chip in it that the 35xx Plus has in it. But right off the bat, I'll get it off my chest. If I was thinking about buying, if my decision was between these two devices right here, the H wins handily. The game, like, it's the same games, plays the same stuff. There's nothing different with the software, hardware, or anything. It's just the joysticks. How it's set up, I guess I prefer the horizontal, which is what the H stands for, is horizontal. But we'll get that right out of the way. Between the two, the plus and the H, I think the H wins handily. When I was going through the games, I have the system, the 64 gig card that comes with a ton of games, and then I bought the 128 that comes with a bunch more. I just looked at the PSP, and there was one game that was the same, but they were different games. So it looks like that you're not getting a whole bunch of multiples. So that being said, right out of the box, for someone like if you're giving this as a gift, or you're just right out of the box and play, it's exactly what I did. No tweaking whatsoever. All I did is turn the sound down on the buttons, set the clock, and put on my network, so you can do Moonlight streaming, and you can also, with HDMI mini adapter here, you can play it on your console. You can Wi-Fi 2 controllers, which I am planning to do. I'm going to do a kind of a bunch of these connected to a TV to see what they play like. But you can do that. It is, of the two, it is definitely the better of the two. It plays better, it feels better in the hands, and you know, the buttons, slowly getting used to the inline shoulder buttons instead of the stacked. But every single game that I played, except for Soul Calibur and PSP, the first time I played it, it stuttered and didn't keep up in the RetroArch one. I had to go into the games room, and it played way better. So that's also another option. Now Dreamcast there's no Dreamcast in the one, so you have to play it in the RetroArch. But the Dreamcast game, all the ones I played really well. This is without a doubt my new throw in the bag and go. I say that probably with every one, but as you get different ones, you know, like you get something different, and it's a little bit better. I like the amount of games that are in here. I like that it plays it all. The ports play really good. I showed Spear of Destiny, but Castle Wolfenstein works, Quake works, it all works really well. There is one game in the Open Burn did not have controls mapped. It's the only trouble I had. Next to that, every single game played perfectly. Bit of down stutter, but it seemed to go away. So out of the box, ready to go. Plug and play, have fun, here you go, no setup. I like this one. This is the Anbernic RG35xx H. Thanks for stopping by. Like and subscribe my videos, and we'll catch you next time.